Now, here's how you can make a custom workout for your Apple Watch. So when you just start using the Apple Watch, you can get inside of all apps section right here and make sure you located the workout app. So you can get inside like this, and you have a couple of them right here, and you can just scroll through all of them. Like there's like an endless appearingly endless amount of workouts available, but as you can notice at the bottom we have a add workout button. So when you click on add workout, you can choose like different ones which are not included in this list. There's even like an alphabetical like order of them, but at the top we have other, right? So this is likely what you are interested in. So when you click on other, you can just click on that, and it is for anything that is essentially not included in here. So you can just edit your preferences, you can choose the alerts and the time, and you can see that what it kind of looks like. You can customize the screens, you can do a bunch of different stuff with it, and you can just click on create a new workout and now choose the goal, right? So you might have the open goal, you might have a time goal, calories. So that's the options which we have. Also, we have a custom. So as you can see, there's like a warm up which you can add, which is a cool down. You can choose a custom title for it right here. You can choose a view, and you can just create a brand new one. So this is how you can basically create your own custom workout if you really wanted to. But keep in mind that the list of available workouts on the Apple Watch is really extensive. So when you go all the way to the bottom again and click on add workout, just scroll through it and you will get to the alphabetical order. And there are so many different things, and it's very likely that you're going to find the thing that you want to be doing. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more content in the future, and I'm going to see you later on.